He said he is mine.
But do you know about the relationship?
I picked cotton with you. You also picked it yourself. I want to give it to you. You will quickly learn my technique. Ha ha ha, be careful. You can do it too. Thank you, Liu. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I bought it for him. Thank you for coming to buy it for him. That's how it is. Don't be too easygoing with people. When people meet, they say, oh, aren't you also not that big?
For me, it's too expensive. I don't want to just do it. Why is he doing it without reason?
Don't mess around if you don't know. Just play around, but make sure to do a good job. There are many things you can't tell the boss. When I used to work, he said, workers, I also had nothing left. Yes, I'm here to pass the time. You've said it, and they're all gone. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Quick, I quickly say, hey, yeah, I gave him money. Don't, I'll just drop it for you. I thought about a lot of money, not giving it to my mom now. I don't lack money. They all say I'm different from you. You just give me money back. It makes me feel like this is mine. It should be yours. You see, to me, this isn't normal.
They always say, I don't know what to say. What did you do to me?
It's not small either. His nails are too long. Young man, don't keep them that long.
I'm not afraid to come, but in the days to come, don't be afraid.
You used to host talking about food, delicious, good, not cooked with him. So cooking every day, eating but not gaining weight, he mainly spends his time busy with his own things. So really, it's all in the past. Right.
Over here, because
this dog,
The fingernails are all covered in sores.
Yeah, he's still there. He just lies down, right? Comes to sit here, puts those books there. Oh, he's pulling armpit hair. Look at this dog.
Where are you going to college?
I am in Shenzhen.
Young Chongqing. Yes, be conservative with him. It's this and not. It's been many years and he hasn't come out yet. It's this not. Then keep a package, come back in 5 days. Okay.
Come in 5 days.
Come back in 5 days. Did he change it? Yes, it was changed and repaired for him. After he changed and repaired it, didn't he keep it again?
Didn't protect it? No need to protect it? He continuously protected it? Even his toe got protected.
Did he insure it too much?
The face mask is breathable.
Did he come back for maintenance later?
The latest age is 20 days. This time I have to clean it up for you since you're going far away.
Take a break. Come back after the break. Come back after the break.
Let me think. That's fine. I don't recommend it. Tomorrow you can work on your own. Okay, clean this place up first. Right, leaving in a bit.